naman yan nasa kamot mo. Dito. Pambalay sa rin. Pasko. Primo. Sumanda na ng bola. Yes, goal for 2. Primo. Ibang si Sayan. Pass to Cortez. Cortez. Pass to Canela. Yes, goal for 3. Canela. Pass to Primo. Travel violation. Impounded Renancia si Sayan. Pass to Renancia again. Pass to si Sayan. Yes, goal for 2. Primo. Tusunyega. Revilla. Umikot. Pal. Los Pulrep. Cortez, first personal foul, first team foul. Yes, goal for 1. Goal for 1 again. Cortez. Pass to Canelas. Canelas. Pass to Renancia. Yeah, 4-2. Renancia. 4 again, 6. Revilla. Ipan naman Renancia. To si Sayan. Si Sayan humingi ng screen. Aragon, block by Primo. Primo B. Bola na Mangibas. Sonyega. 15 seconds shot clock. Traveling violation. Canelas. Steve by Primo. Twenty seconds shot clock. Last 18. 10 seconds shot clock. Renancia. Steve by Poticiano. Yes, goal for 2. Poticiano. Si Sayan. Still by Primo. Yes, goal for 2. Primo. Last 15 shot clock. Still by Primo. Yes, goal for 2. Time out. Primo Day. Sige po, sige. Impounding si Sayan. Torinan siya. Bring by si Sayan. Pasto Canelas, tumira ng 3. Very good. Impound by Sonyega. Sonyega. Pasto Revilla. Revilla. Yes. Very good. Revilla again. Still by Canelas. Yes. Primo. Steve by Canelas. Empounding Potenciano. Pastor rin lang siya. Still pa lang. Yes, break 42. Break na siya. Primo. Last 18 shot ka. Sonyega. No good. Empound by si Sayan. Jambol. Triple A daw po. Eleven against 9. Empounding si Sayan. Pastor rin lang siya to si Sayan. Si Sayan. Yes. Evilla to Primo. Pass to Sunyega. Last 18. Revilla, kinaliwa. Very good. Revilla again. Very good. Panyelas. Pass to Aragon. Aragon. 2 for 2. Deadlock 11. Reyes Pagal. Primo. Last 15. Abiling. Last 1 in 23 seconds. Time out. Tomas. Tuloy.
Yan, tingin sa ilalim, ma'am.
Ilan po? Empounding by Sayan. Pastor rin lang siya. Tumira. No good. Bondo Primo. To Primo. Pass to Sunyega. Pass to Reveal. Potenciano. No good. Si Sayan. Last 1 minute. Primo. Personal foul. First team foul. 19 shot up. Aragon. 15 shot up. Renacha. No good. Import by Revilla. 15 seconds. 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Empounding by Renacha. Pasto si Sayan. Pasto Canyelas. Tumira 3. Good. Si Sayan. Last 40 seconds. Primo. Pasto Revilla. Last 30 seconds. Aragon. Tumira na good. Pasto Primo. Last 23 seconds. Last 4.2. Last 15 seconds. Passer na lang po. Change favor. 12 against 11. Primo. First personal foul, second team foul. Passer na lang po. Empound by Canyelas. Passer na lang po. Still by si Sayan. Yes, 4.2. Change favor. Last 1. Change favor. Thomas ball. Thomas ball. Empounding Potenciano. Pastor Junaldo. Still by si Sayan. Empounding si Sayan to Canyelas. Revilla, no good. Primo. Pastor Jonaldo, bumintaw. No good. Reinancia, pumukol. No good again. Foul by Revilla. To Primo. 15 seconds. Cortés. Pastor Reinancia, to Canielas. Violation. Ode Potenciano. To Primo. Last 20 seconds. Pastor Jonaldo. Ulas. Sisayan. Last 20 seconds. Pastor Reinancia. Pastor Canielas. No good. Foul by Cortés. Last 10. Shut up. Number 2. Canielas. Primo. Pastor Jonaldo. And founded by timeout from the side of Mantua. Oras, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And founding Reinancia. Pastor Cortés. To Sisayan. Last 20 seconds. To Reinancia. No good. Still passing. Ramos. Pastor Primo. Still Cortés. Impounding Revilla. To Primo. Pastor Revilla. Uy. No good. Impounding Canielas to Sisayan. Sisayan. No good. Revilla. Pastor Primo. Yes, go to Primo. Impound Canielas. Pastor Sisayan. Still by Primo. Primo. Yes, go to Case Pebble. 16 against 15. Travel violation. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Kembali Revilla. Pastor Primo. Subdivision. Sisayan out. Idol ko in. Kembali Revilla. Still by Cortés. Cortés. 21 seconds. Shot clock. Ipandi Punete. Pastor Canielas. Canielas. Pastor Punete. Last 20 seconds. Rapid violation. Punete. Ipandi Revilla. Revilla. Pastor Primo. Primo. No good. Pastor Canielas. Canielas. No good. Canielas down. Sanyega. Primo. Primo. J. Second personal foul. First team foul. Last 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Foul by Punete. 19 seconds shot clock to Reinancia. Pastor Punete. 15 seconds. Aragon. 10 seconds. Cortés. No good. Pastor Canielas. Yes, good. Change Pebble. 16 against Zuniga. 18 shot clock. Rindacha. Tumira. Yes! Score for 3. Ripilla. Pass to Zuniga. Still by Cortez. Cortez, no good. Aragon, no good. Primo. Last 20 seconds. Still by Aragon. Aragon. 4.2. Bye-bye. Pwede ba yung Zuniga? Pass to Primo. Primo. Subdivision there. Zuniga out. Potensyali. Serep. Canela. First personal foul. First team foul. Last 1 minute and 29 seconds. Primo. Tumbela. Yes. Score for 3. Subdivision rep. Isay. Aragon out. Chope in. Ipan po Zuniga, pass to Primo. Last 20 seconds. Block by seconds shot up. Primo. Block by Cortez. Oras. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Potenciano. Yes, goal for 2. Silver play. Chope. Para Canelas. Canelas. Pinale. Lugu. Donde Camus. Potenciano. Ripilla. Just 20 seconds. 15 seconds. James Trevor. 14 seconds. Last 13. Amos. Goal for 2. Ang oras po ay 30 seconds. Canelas. Budget. Ripilla. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ang oras na lang po ay 26 seconds. 0.7. 25 against 24. Bibigyan ng dalawang pagkakataon si Mr. Canelas. Yes, goal for 2. Parehas naman. Last 20 seconds. 0.7. Buzzer na lang po. Primo. Last 15. Bernardo. Last 14. Buzzer na lang po. David. 8 seconds. 0.1. Ang 8.1. Buzzer na lang po. Rindacha. Tumira. Logo. Dibabay. Burnete. Last 2. And of the second quarter. Official run score. Parehas pagay. Tungguan ito dito. Tuloy po ang bola. Third quarter. Triple A po kanina po. Eh, masamang tumas po ang bola. Dito sa Triple A. Ay, Triple A po ang bola. Third quarter na po. Body by Rindacha. Pass to Canelas. Daniela yes, goal for 2. Ebony Rubilla. Trace Pemo. Rino. Isipay Cortez. Vamos. Isipay. Foul. Reynaza. First personal foul. First team foul. 25 against 27. Lamang po ni Dua Triple A. 22 seconds shot clock. Sonjaga pass to Potenciano. Rupilla yes goal for 2. Shot clock all 27. Canela. Corindaza. No good. Isipay. Rupilla. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Sonjaga. Candelas. Foul. Good. Sebo. Sonjaga. First personal foul. First personal foul. Yes, goal for 1. Lamang po isa Triple A. Yes, goal for 2. Ebony Potenciano. Sonjaga. Isipay Cortez. Cortez. Yes, goal for 2. Ebony Cabos. Vamos. Pass to Sonjaga. Sonjaga last 20 seconds. Foul. Reynaza. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Potenciano out. Rino B in. 27 against 31. Ang oras by 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 81 shot clock. Impounded by Cabos.
Game. One.
Pass to Rino.
Boy, boy.
Pass to Sonjaga. Foul. Si Sayang. Second. First personal foul. Third team foul. Bibigyan po ng dalawang pa. Tatlo.
Jo.
Tatlo. Tatlo pa rin po. Tatlo. Dalawa.
Binigay sa atin.
Yes, goal for 1. 28 against 31. Iba kay si Sayang. Still by Canela. Jambon. Ang Tomas po. Ang Tomas. Ang Tomas. Vamos do primo. 30 seconds. Primo. Last 18. Sinari. Stephen Candelas. Isayan. Isayan. Ready. Paso Cortez. Pinera. Yes. Goal for 2. Lepas ni Sinera. To Revilla. To Primo. 20 seconds. Sonjaga, foul, no good. Isipay Reynaza. Last 2 minutes. Reynaza goal for 3. Revilla. To Cabos. Foul. Yes. Basket foul. Canela. Second personal foul. Warning. Penalty. Yes, goal for 1. 31 against 36. Si Sayang. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Reynaza. Bandoy Cortez. Pastor Aragon. Aragon. Revilla. Pastor Zuniega. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Revilla. No good. Bandoy Aragon. Aragon, no good. Vamos. No good. Triple po ang bola. Kembali pa yung Renasya. Time out. From the side. Rebounding Renasya to si Sayan. Si Sayan. 20 seconds shot clock. Aragon no good. Rebound by Cangelas. Yes, now pushing through. Cangelas. Tino. Still by Cangelas. Si Sayan. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Cangelas. Traveling violation. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Carlos. Tumira. Robin. Rebound by Cortez. Pastor Aragon. Ang oras po ay 1 minute and 29 seconds. Rebounding by Camos. Pass to Primo. Primo, last 20 seconds shot clock. Last 16. Cangelas. No good. Banda Revilla. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Si Sayan. No good. Pastor Campos. No good. Last 1 minute. Kembali ke Renasya. Pass to si Sayan. 58 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock. Embodied by Primo. 52 seconds. Pass to Primo. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Primo. 15. Still by Renasya. 39 seconds.
Hanip sa traveling.
Point 4. Last 39 seconds. Embodied by Zuniega. Embodied Primo. Pastor Revilla. Pastor Zuniega. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Tumbiran 3. No good. Rebound by Cangelas. Last 30 seconds. Traveling violation. Mr. Cangelas. Last 29 seconds. Oras 29 seconds. Primo. Last 35 seconds. No good. Cortez. Last 30 seconds. Renasya. Basar na lang po. 15. Penalty po, penalty. Renasya. 2 personal foul. Penalty. Mr. Jody Camos. Ganun po sa mainit ang payo. 10 seconds. Basar na lang po, basar. Goal ko malagay. Score. Basa nyo lang po, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last quarter. May araw. May araw po, may araw. Sabang Thomas Ball. May araw po, may araw. And penalty by Primo. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbounding by Camus. Pass to Primo. To clear no good. Ipan to Sisayan. Pass to Cangelas. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Rindacha. 15. Rindacha. Pass to Arango. 10 seconds shot clock. Still by Camus. Camus. Yes, 2. Arango. Last 20 seconds. Rindacha. Very good. Ipan Camus. Last 20 seconds. Pass to Sisayan. Rebounding Sisayan. Pass to Rindacha. Pass to Sisayan. Last 20 seconds. Last 18. Sisayan. Last 18 shot clock. 13 shot clock. Rebounding by Rindacha. Last 13 seconds shot clock. Last 12 seconds shot clock. Rebounding Rindacha. Rindacha Cangelas. Practical. Alin po? Cangelas. Oras po ay 4 minutes. One free throw, ball position. Sab, isa. Atcha. Ang score po ay 35 against 40. Ball position. Exhibition rep. Cangelas out, ball BTN. Ang oras po ay 4 minutes and 1 seconds. Primo, pass to Primo. Quarter na po ini. Primo, still ball. Primo, last 15 shot na. Still by Arango. Last 20. Yeah. Primo decision. Decision. Camus. Pass to Primo. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Pass to Camus. Last 15 seconds. Traveling violation. Oras po 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Embodied by Cortez. Pass to Sisayan. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Rindacha. Last 16. 10 seconds shot clock. Sisayan. Ipan by Rupila. Pass to Camus. Pass to Primo. Last 20. Very good. Ipan by Still by Rebilla. 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 Good. That's good for two. At yun na po ang kailangan ng AAA. Aragon. Last 15 seconds. Foul. Sendera. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Pamatay na po, mag-ready po. Ano napapansin? 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Ang score po ay 37 against 40. Tatlo na lang po ang kailangan ng AAA. Yes, good for one. Final from the side ang tumas. Hindi ko po ang oras 5 minutes against 48 seconds. Ebondi by Camos. Passes to Niega. Let's do 27 shot clock. Niega. Foul. Aragon. Aragon. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 minutes in 41 seconds. And boundary by Purim again. Pastor Rebilla. That's 15 seconds. Foul. Cortez. Third personal foul. 17 foul. Shot clock 14. Third personal foul. 13 foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Sendera, kinaliwa. Good rebound by Cortez. Pass to Sisayan. 20 seconds shot clock. Sisayan. 15 seconds shot clock. Bonete. Tumbira na good. Rebound na ng Bonete. Still by Airball. Substitution rep. Bonete out. Canyelas in. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And by Renancia. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And by Renancia. Pass to Sisayan. 20 seconds shot clock. Sisayan. Aragon, isang traveling violation. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 37 against 41. Ebondi by Primo. Last 30 seconds shot clock. Primo. Stephen Canyelas. Pastor Cortez, last 20 seconds shot clock. Sisayan, yes, 4-4-2. Primo. Stephen Cortez. Save ball, save ball. Save ball. Last 20 seconds shot clock. Rebilla. Foul. Cortez. Warning for penalty. Punta po, board po. Primo Nubi. Canyelas is a Renancia, yes, 1.2. 37 against 41. Ang oras po ay 1 minutes and 31 seconds. 1 minutes and 31 seconds. Vertical. Primo J. Second. Last 1 minute and 31 seconds. 1 minute and 31 seconds. Renaja. Up. Bigyan po ng pag-tulog. Di po mango, tanay man po professional ng referee. Yes, good po yan. Renaja. Ang score po 37 against 46. Oras, 1 minute and 31 seconds. Renaja, 67. To Renaja, 20 seconds shot clock. Renaja. Trouble violation, Mr. Renaja. Primo. Plus 27 shot clock. Thomas Gordon, tiba-tiba Cortez. Last 27 shot clock. Gordon. Primo. Last. Last 1 minute. Chisayan. Last 18 second shot clock. Aragón. 15. Last 15 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Ang oras po. Chisayan Gordon. Stephen Chisayan. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Ang oras po ay 38 seconds. 28. Foul. Warning for foul. Warning for penalty. Iba-iba rin na siya. Foul out. Primo, penalty daw po. Penalty situation. Ang oras po ay 23 seconds. Ang score po ay 39 against 46. No good. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. 39 against 46. Yes, 21. Pag-break. Pagpapagpapagpula. Basta na lang po. Last 20 seconds. Penalty po. Third personal foul. Penalty. Candelas. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 10-4. Parehas penalty daw po. Yes, birthday one, sir, Mega. Ang oras po, 20 seconds. 27. 30 against. Basta na lang po, 20 seconds. 32 against 37. Foul. Penalty situation. 18 seconds. 0.2. 18 seconds. 18. Parang bola na. 18 seconds. 18. Baser na lang po. Baser. 18 po. 18. 18. Let's go for one. Ibang primo. Last 15. 14. 13. 12. 10 seconds. 5. 9 seconds na lang po. Ano po, ano